Hey everyone, welcome back to Muka Suka channel. Today we're diving into something super cool, how to create a stunning logo using Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is perfect for logo design because it's not just about generating random images. It understands the nuances of style, color, and branding. You can craft a logo that truly represents your brand with just a few prompts. Now, before we craft our prompt, let me show you the format we'll be using to get the best results. Let's break down the prompt format so you can understand how to use it effectively. Style. This determines the visual style of your logo. Think of it as setting the overall vibe, whether it's minimalist, vintage, or modern. Main element. This is the core visual component of your logo. It could be something like a leaf, a bicycle, or any symbol that represents your brand. Color palette. The color scheme is crucial for brand identity. Here you'll decide the primary colors like green, white, or sepia to convey the right emotions. Brand name. This is where you add your brand name or any text that needs to be part of the logo. Make sure it's clear and aligned with the design. Font style. Choose a font style that complements your brand's personality, whether it's a modern sans serif or a decorative serif font. Desired emotion or theme. What feeling or theme do you want your logo to evoke? This could be something like environmental responsibility, nostalgia, or innovation. Simple, complex. Decide on the complexity of your logo. A simple design might be more versatile, while a complex one could provide more detail and intricacy. Type of business or purpose. Finally, tailor the logo to its intended use, whether it's for an eco-friendly product line, a cafe, or another business type. For example, create a vintage-style logo featuring an old-fashioned bicycle with colors in sepia and dark brown. The logo should include the text Old Town Cafe in a decorative serif font, and the overall design should evoke nostalgia. The layout should be detailed, suitable for a cafe that values tradition and history. Now that we have our prompt, let's type it into the tool. After accessing the Leonardo AI homepage, click on Image Creation. In the preset list, select Leonardo Phoenix. For image dimensions, select a 1:1 ratio. For number of images, select 4. And now let's type in the prompt. Click Generate. And here are the results. In my opinion, out of the 4 logos, only the 4th one looks good, while the others are poorly designed and incorrect. Click Generate once more. And this time, the results exceeded expectations. Each of the 4 logos is stunning. And that's it. I've just finished showing you how to create a logo using Leonardo AI. I wish you all the best of success. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.